What's good? Today is Saturday, January 31st, 2026. In this video, I'm just going to be going over what I'm going to be looking at going into the beginning of next week when it comes to Bitcoin, NAS 100, SPX, US 30, silver, and gold, right? Um, Now, when it comes to gold, we can see that we've been in this downtrend um, for the past 2 days. And so I'm interested in seeing the market get back up to this level here, giving us our retest, which it already has. But I would like to see it get in this area again to potentially show us some lower pushes low, even lower. Now, for me to become bullish, I just need to either see a line break above a resistance that gets formed, right? Or break above this resistance here. And if it breaks above this resistance here, I would want to see some type of break, retest, go up. Just like down here, we already have our break, retest, and we're looking for it to go down. All right. And so it'll basically play off of this zone. Right. So we want to see something like that when it comes to gold. Looking at higher time frames, um, I am interested in seeing if the market can get down to this level here, because this is a level where one, never got a retest, but two, it's still a gap right here. It's still a huge gap right here that needs to be filled. So definitely interested in seeing that. And it's also another gap even down here that never got tapped. So we will see what happens. When it comes to silver, I mean, that thing just tanked. Right now, I kind of don't have it set up. If it does pull all the way back up here, potentially go back down. But as of right now, there's nothing that's just, standing out, anything crazy. So, yeah, we're going to see what happens. We do have a level way down here that never got retested. So, interested in that. And also here. So we're just going to see what the market gives. I'm not really seeing too much with silver. Now, on US 30, I'm still bearish. I wouldn't be surprised if it is to reject this level and go lower, specifically because the last break, the most recent break, is below this current low, right? Well, this current structure. So, bam, it broken up beneath this support. So it might make this double top push down, but hypothetically speaking, if it was to break above here, we want to see a retest and then go higher. All right, but as of right now, it's potentially be forming a double top to be pushing down lower again. So that's that on US 30. So SPX, still in a downtrend. Most recent break was here, and it's doing the same kind of thing where it's kind of making, you can basically say a triple top at this point. One, two, well, quadruple. But it's playing off of this level here, and even just a little bit lower level here. So we're going to see if it pushes back down. Same thing, we'll want to see a break and retest if it's going to go higher, but kind of similar to US 30 in that aspect. NAS, we got the break right here, and I want to see the market actually push a little bit lower. All right, I want to see the market push a little bit lower so that we can get a larger lower low. So when it retests, it has more room to push lower. So same thing. It seems like all the indices, US 30, NAS, and SPX, are kind of in a similar style of where they are at in the market. And so we're going to see, but it's definitely levels where it can go lower potentially. So, but this is a strong push up. So let's say it was to push down in here and retest. Like, this is an area where you really have to watch the market, because the market came to this point and shot up, right? Even though it didn't get all the way back up to those highs, it definitely shot up in that area. And as you can see, if you look to the left even, if I was to draw the zone over here, for the most part, this has been a support. And so we can drag that even farther over and see it's still a valid support. So we definitely have to pay attention to that. And then on Bitcoin has just been in a free fall. Still bearish on it. Seeing where we may go. And it's been out here in a little minute. Yeah, the most recent of these lows was around here, so it's closing in on that area. So not sure what's going to happen right now. I'm not trying to predict the market. I'm always just trying to react to the market. And as of right now, I don't have any clean setups on it. So, but that's how I'm looking at all of those pairs as of right now. Going into this upcoming week, um, I do take trades on lower time frames, but that's just how I'm looking at it from a higher time frame perspective. Um, if you like this video, definitely like and subscribe. Um, and also, if you are looking for a group where you can have assistance with trading, learning how to trade, learning strategies, learning risk management, everything you can think of, PDFs, videos, everything. If you're looking for a Discord, definitely reach out. I teach a solid amount of people, teach them how to get funded accounts, teach them how to get payouts, trade live every single weekday, 4 a.m. to about 10:30, 11 a.m. every single weekday, in which I can give out trades and I also teach the strategy as well. So, if that's something that interests you, definitely reach out. Other than that, see you in the next video.